Hello, my darlings. How are you? My God, you look fabulous. Have you been working out? Hope you've all had an absolutely awesome start to 2020. If you haven't, I hope this video is a step in that direction for you. So it is quite apparent and clear to me that still in 2020, there are many people around the world that, regardless of gender, don't know how to make a sandwich. So in this video, hopefully we're going to be able to resolve that. And everyone after this video is going to be able to make a sandwich. First, let me start by saying that I hope you're all absolutely as excited as I am into learning how to make a sandwich as I am to bringing you how to make a sandwich. You're going to need some key ingredients. Ingredients are things that go together to make something. First of all, we've got some soft wholemeal sandwich bread. I generally prefer multigrain. People out there prefer all sorts of different types of bread. That's fine. Choose whatever bread you prefer. We've got one onion, which I've already peeled off camera and washed. I highly recommend, like if you're going to be using any sort of vegetables for your sandwich, make sure you wash them. The grocery store and the fruit and vegetable store tell you that they wash them. I just like to do it myself to make sure that any insecticides and chemicals that they go on to protecting the fruit from insects and stuff like that are just well and truly off. We've got 2 tomatoes, and I'm not any way, shape or form religious, so I am going to be using some Primo thinly sliced, champagne, lightly smoked leg ham. So, and I almost forgot, I like it spicy, so we've got some cayenne pepper. So, sandwich bread, onion, tomato, and some already thinly sliced, lightly smoked leg ham. You are going to need to get these ingredients into the bread. So we're going to start off with the onion, a knife. Use a sharp knife. Never mind. I'm just going to be using this knife. So we'll start off by getting rid of them, putting them in there. Okay. I really do recommend using the sharp knife. That'll be good enough for the onion. So then we're going to get our tomato. I'm going to cut that into slices. 1. 2. Actually, I probably only going to need 1 tomato. Now, some people like margarine or butter, like some sort of a base on their bread. I'm trying to lose weight, so I'm trying to refrain from as many oily products as I can. So we've sliced up our tomato and onion. Now what we're going to do is we're going to remove a couple of slices of bread from the packaging, like so. Put those 2 in there, and then we'll grab these 2 here. So nice and soft, fresh wholemeal bread. Okay, if you want to put margarine or butter on your bread, by all means, that's your prerogative. What we're going to do now is we'll place our slices of bread down here. Always make sure you wash your hands. We're going to put 1, 2. Actually, you know what? We should go for 4. Let's go for 4. You know what? Let me. If I had a sharp knife, I could probably. You know what? Let's cut this, and then I'll eat the other. I'll eat it like an apple off camera. Okay, so there's our 4 slices of tomato. Now, some people like their sandwiches toasted. Some people like them like just plain like this. Going to take our onions, and we're going to pop the rings out. If you wanted to add a little bit of extra flavor, you could caramelize these onions, put them in a pan. Obviously, like I said, I'm on a diet trying to lose some weight, so I'm not going to do that. But you're more than welcome to. It would be really delicious. This here is like, it won't cure a hangover, but if you have a hangover and you make yourself a sandwich like this, or you get someone to make you a sandwich like this, honestly, it will help your hangover a lot. So we're going to place our onion. There we go. I think that's going to be enough onion. Let's just, love onion. So good. All right, so when you pull out, if you're not religiously inclined, oh my God, I'm going to cry, the onions, oh shit, dude. Work through it. Work through it. Okay, I'm fine. Oh my God, dude, that's strong. Holy shit. Thank God the camera can't see. So, there's a peel here, thing, for ham. Most of these will have it, and you just take that back like so, and then, that is good. Okay, so, actually, you know what, before we do that, what we're going to do is, going to get our cayenne pepper, pop some cayenne pepper on the sandwich, like so, and then we're going to take a couple of slices of ham and pop them on the bread like that, and then I'm going to pick that up and pop that there. I just saw one of my hairs. Okay, lucky I'm not eating this. Okay, so there's your ham, tomato and onion and cayenne pepper sandwich. You could add cheese to this. You could pretty much add anything you want, any ingredients that you want to this. That's your prerogative, but this is just how I like it. And then that's a good fucking sandwich. Oh my God, dude, that is so good. Oh, dude. Oh my God. Oh. Holy shit. I'm telling you, dude. I know how to make a fucking sandwich. It amazes me how many people around the world, regardless of gender, again I say, that don't know how to make a sandwich. Like, what the fuck is wrong with you people? Oh, dude. You don't even know. Honestly. Dude, that's amazing. Stuff my face a little bit. Give me a minute. If, after watching this video, you don't know how to make a sandwich, you can use whatever ingredients you like. You do not have to use what ingredients I have here today. If you wanted to use it, great, wonderful, fine. If not, just go to your local supermarket, pick whatever ingredients you want, make your fucking sandwich, and get something done. If not, take a long walk off a short pier and don't hold your breath. Do the world a favour. Thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you learned how to make a sandwich. And bye for now.